How to enable notifications on Ring app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can enable notifications on Ring application. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all you have to do is launch the Ring application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in either using your email or your phone number. Once you're logged in, if you have set up any device such as the doorbells, security cameras, paid tag or any other device, it will load up in your home page or in your dashboard right here. So make sure to check that as well. Now, in order to enable the notifications, here tap on the three-line icon or the hamburger icon at the top left. And from here under account section, tap on Control Center. Once the control center is opened, here scroll down a bit and here tap on notification preferences. Here you will find all the options regarding the notification. Scroll down a bit and there is two options. The first one, general notifications. Tap on it and here you can manage or enable all the notifications where you will receive these notifications on your emails. Here it says view and manage your email preferences. So here make sure to enable your preferred notifications. Now you can go back and there is a push notifications where you can get notifications in your mobile. Here tap on it and here make sure to turn on all these notifications. After that you can go back and once you have enabled all these notifications and still if you're not able to receive any notifications, that means you may need to adjust the system-wide notification settings on your Android device. So for that, you can close this and open up settings in your device. Here tap on apps, tap on see all apps, then tap on the search icon at the top right and in the search bar, search for Ring and tap on it. Here scroll down and here it is notifications, tap on it and make sure you have allowed you have turned on the toggle right here to enable the notifications. And yes, that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.